Presenting the 2019 Kia Sorento. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, 290 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, AC power outlet, 1, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.